This is a project of ZAMIN Academy. For personalized one-on-one tutoring, contact us by clicking the link in the video's description or our bio.
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू ज़ामिन एकेडमी। आज की वीडियो में हम ये डिस्कस करेंगे कि अगर आपका आइल्स टेस्ट ये शो कर रहा है कि वो बुक नहीं हो रहा, इट्स ऑलरेडी बुक्ड और इट्स फुल, तो मैं आपको ये बताना चाह रहा हूँ इसमें कोई परेशान होने की बात नहीं है। व्हाट समटाइम्स हैपन इज कि आप समटाइम्स यू बुक and choose the option pay later. So many a student does this और उनकी इस करने की वजह से वो 3 दिन तक फुल शो करती है उसके सेट. But if you try after 1 day or 2 day, there's probably a chance कि आपका जो है वो book हो सके. Let me tell you my own experience. So I was booking for my IELTS and what happened is कि I found it full. But when I tried it after 2 days, it worked. How it worked, I don't know, but I got to know that when you come on the stage of paying, there are two options. Either you can book now and pay it right now, and the other option is you can book now and pay later. Many a student does that to secure their time frame and their place on that test. But many a students, because of their nervousness or confusion or not so preparation or non-seriousness, they leave that test. So because of that, those 3 days becomes occupied और उस ऑक्यूपेशन को वो जो उन्होंने बुक ना और पे लेटर भी किया होता है 3 दिन लगते हैं कि वो सही हो सके. सो इसमें घबराने की कोई बात नहीं है. आप उसको जो है 2 दिन बाद भी कर सकते हैं और 3 दिन बाद भी. इवन अगर जस्ट लाइक इट शोज इट इज 4 सितंबर, अगर आप 1 सितंबर को भी इसको बुक करें, यू कैन इवन डू दैट. देयर इज प्रोबेबली अ चांस कि सीट कोई खाली हो एंड यू कैन गिव टेस्ट. They don't have specific number of seats, right? They have a big quantity of seats. When you will go, you will realize that there are many candidates. Many seems you will find them empty because at the last moment they just did not pay or they just canceled it. So there's always a chance, there's always a lucky chance, if you have prepared well and you are thinking that this is the date I want to go for the IELTS, you must go for the this attempt. Then please wait for the right moment. Please always check after 1 day or 2 days कि क्या मेरा बुक हो सकता है कि नहीं हो सकता. And it probably had the chance कि वो हो सकता है. If it does not happen, you can email British Council as well on their personal email. But I'm gonna give you this solution कि आप 1-2 दिन wait करें and you book it again. And there's probably a chance कि वो आपका book हो सकता है. So इस वीडियो में I hope so कि आपकी help हुई होगी and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you for watching. Book your free demo lecture now. For more free videos, support us by subscribing to this channel.